Water is coming! Everyone, follow me to the hillside!
You saved our lives!
We need a stronger dam. Together we are strong.
Good morning, everyone!
What a beautiful day! Let's make today another wonderful day together. Hidden among the green hills was a wonderful place called Vegetable Village.
What a beautiful morning!
Good morning, Leader Potato!
Good morning, everyone! Have a wonderful day.
Our village is lucky to have you.
The great old dam had protected the village for many years. Our village is safe, and together, we'll keep it that way. Days passed, and dark clouds covered the peaceful valley.
I don't like those clouds. It feels different today.
It's raining harder every minute. Everyone, stay inside and stay together.
Okay, Leader Potato.
Those cracks. This isn't good. Do you think the dam can hold? But the old dam had already begun to weaken. The rain did not stop day after day. Stay alert, everyone. The river keeps getting higher.
The crack is getting bigger!
I've never seen the river this high. We must be ready for anything.
Then, in the middle of the night,
What was that?
the broken dam unleashed a powerful flood that rushed toward Vegetable Village.
The water is here!
Help! Everyone, this way!
Stay together. Don't get separated. Keep moving toward the hill. Don't panic. Everyone listen to me. We're going to the hillside together. Stay calm and help one another.
We're with
Everyone
you.
stay calm. We rescue the children and elderly first.
I'm ready. Let's save everyone together.
We'll bring the rope.
Don't worry, you're safe with us.
Step carefully. We've got you.
Excellent work. Keep moving. Hold the rope tightly. One family at a time. The cart is ready.
Everyone, follow us. We're coming. Help! We're trapped.
Don't worry. We're coming for you. We'll get everyone out safely. Hold the rope tightly. We'll guide you across. Is everyone here?
We couldn't have done it without you.
We did it together. Let's keep moving. Sunrise, the storm had finally passed.
Our village.
We're safe. That's what matters. Everyone made it.
We're together again. I have to thank Potato. Potato, you saved all our lives.
We stayed together. That's why everyone is safe. Thank you for meeting with me. Welcome, Leader Potato. Please come in. Our dam had become too old. We understand. Your village needs immediate help. We'll begin planning today. We are going to help you. Help has arrived. We'll build a stronger dam. Thank you. Together, we'll protect our village.
Thank you.
Months later, Vegetable Village was stronger. The new dam is complete. Hooray! And more beautiful than ever. A true leader is someone who helps everyone during difficult times.
That's right, you.
We faced every challenge together is our greatest strength.
Long live Potato!
That's right, you.
Breaking news! Today, the famous master chef is coming to prepare a royal mixed vegetable. What? Not today! Oh no! My beautiful glowing skin! What if the chef grates me? Oh no! My beautiful glowing skin! But I'll still be chopped!
My royal crown will never enter that frying pan.
Oh, here we go again.
If someone tries to grab me, everyone will run away.
I believe her.
Listen, everyone. The chef wants delicious food, not vegetables that fight with each other.
So, what's the plan? But what about my beautiful purple color?
Don't worry. I'll handle everything.
Hide quietly near the cooking pot. Let the chef think you're already busy.
That's actually a brilliant idea.
Carrot, you're the sweetest one here. Go stand beside the sugar jar. The chef will think you're for dessert. That's brilliant! He'll never look for me there. Onion, stand right in front of the chef. Start peeling yourself, and his eyes will fill with tears before he even starts cooking.
Finally, my crying has a purpose.
Radish, you're our secret weapon. Only use your special surprise if everything else fails.
Leave it to me, boss. I'll save the team. This is gonna be fun.
Today, royal mixed vegetable ever.
Everyone, stay in position.
Here we go. Time for my special talent.
This onion looks fresh. Ah! Achoo! What a powerful onion!
I told you I'd make him cry.
Perfect. Phase 1 is complete. Got you this time. Not today. My crown stays safe.
Excellent escape. Phew, that was close. Perfect. Keep acting natural. So, you're the clever one. Let's see if you can escape.
Be careful, boss.
If my friends are safe, I'm ready. Now it's your turn, little potato.
Boss.
If my friends stay safe, I'm ready. Catch me if you can! Hey!
Boss.
Wait, which potato was it?
He actually did it.
You'll never know. Every potato looks exactly the same.
Mission accomplished.
Forget the mixed vegetables. Today we'll make delicious cumin potatoes instead. We're safe! Our boss did it! Long live Head Potato! Our hero saved everyone! Long live Head Potato!
Remember, teamwork always wins.
Best leader ever.
3 cheers for the boss! Long live Head Potato!
When we stay united, every problem becomes easier to solve.